Good morning and welcome to our daily morning updates from Xtrade Broking Services. This is Prasad Manuel. Wow, yesterday we saw a cat and mouse game. We saw markets going up and down, such a volatile day, and we expected consolidation also. Finally, the market ending up with just minus 2 points. We saw that huge profit booking in the index was happening and it was trying to break down that 15,000 level. We discussed yesterday on the support levels to watch out for 15,000. And as you see in the charts, you can see there are 3 attempts made by the Nifty to break that 15,000 level. One in the morning, we saw it with the gap up opening in the Nifty. Then that gap up got sold and we saw that Nifty trying to attempt break that 15,000. Again, from there we saw a bounce. From that bounce, and again in the noon session we saw Nifty trying to break the 15,000 again in past 2 times, but it is failed. We saw buying comes. So that's the reason we were telling buying on dips are clearly evident in the market. So Bank Nifty also was not performing yesterday. For the past 3 days it was in the consolidating range due to Bank Nifty dragging down. We saw Nifty also not able to go beyond that, the high which is made 15,256. Yesterday, if you see large cap banks, select auto stocks were the losers because we saw FIAs were been buying and DAs were been selling more. And while IT sector, pharma and Reliance led the recovery in the market yesterday. That's the reason we saw a sharp bounce during the fag end of the closing. We saw FIAs bought close to 1,786 crores, and again for second straight day we are seeing DAs are selling high, that is close to 2,075 crores. Since both are buying and selling, we can see that range bound activity and more volatile scenarios being clearly evident in the market. Okay, what it leads to the trade setup for today. Today is being a weekly expiry. There's a chance of being volatile, and there's also a possibility of a consolidation phase happening in the market. We are seeing the SGX Nifty opening close to 15,065. That is a gap down of 72 points, which is showing in the Nifty today, SGX Nifty today. The global markets are mixed. Nasdaq were low, Dow Jones also was low, but still they are in consecutive 9 days of high. Dow Jones is running, but we are seeing the IT sector mainly in the US, it's getting profit booked. So that led to the Nasdaq going down. So it may also be an impact in the Indian markets today. We need to wait and watch. Most of the Asian markets are on a public holiday, so there isn't much activity. So we need that effect is there in our market. We need to see. Okay, so the trade setup for the day, still the market texture is there in buy and dips unless until the 15,000 level is getting breached, and the texture might change. But till then we can see clear buy on dips. That's as I shown in the chart, that clear evidence is there that market is getting bought in every dip. So that's a consolidation part. I am repeating this consolidation again because normally on a Wednesday, every Wednesdays, if you see before 1 day prior to the weekly expiry, we can see more activity, more volatility being in the market. Post 2 p.m. we can see that clearly evident in the market. So today being an expiry day, normally there will be a consolidating phase today. So we can see some profit booking coming in the mid caps because that mid cap, the broader market is also it's performing well. So we can see some select stocks getting profit booked. A sharp up move in the market cannot be ruled out. Reason is that being yesterday, if you see the pattern itself, when it touching the 15,000 mark, we saw a sudden burst of up move in the markets yesterday. So if that level is still holding up, we can see the up move market possible today or tomorrow. There is a possibility, so we need to wait and watch. Okay, so coming to the open interest in the call and put side, heavy put writing is happening in 15,000 area. That's the reason we can see that area is not getting breached and getting defended. That support level is getting defended. 15,100 also we are seeing some straddle activities happening. We are seeing some more put writing is happening in 14,500 strike prices. Call side, we can see the highest open interest in 15,200. Yesterday also we can see that it's getting that's getting resisted in that area. 15,300 and 15,900 are having the call writing activities. So the range for the today's expiry should be somewhere around 14,900 to 15,200, 250. So that should be the range today, so you can watch out. So that goes to the support, resistance and support level for the day will be 15,997. Sorry, I beg your pardon, it is 14,997. The resistance for the day will be around, for Nifty will be around 15,256. The bank Nifty support level will be around 35,500, and the resistance for the bank Nifty will be around 36,250. The important events and data to be watched out: there were good results came from Aravinda Pharma, Indra Prasad Gas, Eicher Motors, Happiest Mind Technologies. Titan, however, reported a lower standalone profit, and Bata India also witnessed a lower profit. So you can watch out for the stocks reactions. And if you note down, yesterday Tata Steel also got some profit booking. So good stocks, good results are getting sold, and the FIIs and DIs are utilizing these opportunities. So maybe retail players also are using this opportunity to book profits and willing to buy down. Good companies are being bought down also. So one more news is coming, that Magma FinCorp, regarding Magma FinCorp, is that Rising Sun Holdings, it has been headed by Mr. Adar Poonawalla, to acquire the controlling stakes in Magma FinCorp. We saw the DHF is also getting bought. So these companies are getting bought, so we need to watch out for the stock reaction. We saw a couple of days this particular stock was rallying in the markets. We need to watch out for the reaction. So results today will be the major companies like ITC, Coal India, Power Grid Corporation, ACC, Ashok Leyland, and from CRISIL we are going to see results: NCC, NHPC, Petronet LNG, Power Finance Corporation, Prestige Estates, Webag, Vatek, Webag, and Z corporations will be giving the results today. Apart from that, 442 companies are going to give the results, and we are approaching the tail end of the result season, so you can watch out for these stocks. Important stocks to be watched out: again, Auro Pharma we have in our watch list, Magma FinCorp based on news, Eicher Motors on the results, ACC, Coal India, ITC, and Power Grid for the upcoming results. So these are the stocks to be keeping in mind. Wishing you all success for this day, and requesting you all to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.